I'm Isabeau, the CEO of Beckon Homes, and I can't wait to tell you about Beckon Residential. Beckon Residential is a brand new service that we are unrolling after 10 years of managing properties in Nashville, East Tennessee, New England, and beyond. For the first time ever, our Beckon Homes team is helping our clients in their personal homes to help furnish, decorate, maintain, and manage their entire property. Anything that you need, consider us your assistant in everything home related. No job is too big and no detail is too small. Beckon was born from the desire to make our corner of the world a beautiful place, not just for our team to live in, but for our clients. Now, getting to work in the homes of our neighbors, we can do that better than ever. We're about making your home feel like home, only better.